Hey YouTube, have you ever wished you could watch Netflix on your Amazon Echo Show 5? I have, and following a recent update, you can. In this video, I will show you how simple it is to set up Netflix on your Echo Show, as well as give you a quick demo of it in action. This will also work on the second generation Echo Show and Echo Show 8. Before I start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. I regularly post videos showing you the latest tips and tricks for your smart home devices. In this video, I have also changed the wait command to computer so I don't trigger your device by mistake. So let's get to it. There are two ways to launch Netflix. You can ask, computer, open Netflix.
Use Netflix.
Or you can swipe from the right hand side of the screen and select video, followed by Netflix.
Use Netflix.
The first time you use Netflix, you will be asked to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, the interface should be very familiar to anyone who has used Netflix on a phone, tablet or PC. Scrolling or searching for your favourite program is really simple. I would love to know what you're currently watching in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to hit the like button as it really helps the channel. As you're using an Amazon Echo device, voice control is fully supported. For example, computer, play The Queen's Gambit on Netflix.
Getting The Queen's Gambit from Netflix.
Computer, pause. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy watching Netflix on your show devices. Bye!